Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am back with another gray theme look. I decided I want to do like a soft look because I feel like I've been doing a lot of cut crease. Well, no, not really, because I feel like the first look I did was a non-cut crease. But anywho, I'm just going for a very soft grayish silvery type of look, and I'm going to try my best to get a look out of this palette. I bought it and I kind of am on the urge to taking it back, but I was like, no, there's something that's still telling me to keep this palette for some reason. It's an all matte palette, but there's some interesting colors in here. And you know what? I was like, let's find an excuse to play with it. And it's this weird like mauvey, like grayish color right here. And then there's another one like right here. It's a little bit more lighter. So I was like, look, let's go ahead and play with her. If I can get a good look out of this, then we're gonna keep her. If not, she's gonna go back, okay? But yeah, so let's get a little bit more closer and get into this look. All right, so the first shade I want to jump into is this color right here. So a little bit of orangey brown shade, and I'm just going to take that on a nice crease buffing brush, as you can see, and I'm just going to blend this all in my crease. Starting off with a nice fluffy brush first, because I know I like to get, you know, more of a detail brush and intensify the color before I buff it out. But I'm trying to lean towards a really soft look today, so that is what we're going to do. I'm going to continue adding and building and just blending this right in my crease. I really do like the fact that you can definitely build this color, so I feel like the more I keep adding on this brush, it can get a little bit more intense and more darker. But like I said, I'm really trying to lean towards a soft look today. Let's just see how it comes out, because I have a feeling that it's going to reverse to something else. Alright, so this is a really weird color, but I want to give it a try because it's weird. And it's this color right here. So it looks brown, but it's not really a brown color. But I'm just going to tap in that anyway. And I'm also going to go in my crease with this. See what it's going to give me. And I think it's giving me a really, ooh, I like that. Okay, I don't know what color this is, but it's pretty though. And I'm not going to go as high as I did with that first shade. So I'm trying to focus this more towards the outer crease part. Alright, and then I'm going to just take this shade right here, and you know what, let me put a little bit more eye base on first before I do that, since I've been blending these other colors. Take a little bit more and pop that right on my lid area. Now I know I said I wanted to do a soft look. This is giving me soft, but I think I need some sparkles, y'all. I need some sparkly something, because I don't know, this is too soft for me. But let's just vamp it just a little bit. I feel like it's still gonna be soft. So I'm going in with the GLAMLITE palette. This is the MIKAYLA and GLAMLITE palette. This is really pretty, like silver metallic shade right here. Look at that. Let me just do a quick finger swatch so y'all can see. Oh, my hands are dirty. Finger swatch. Look at that. That is so pretty. So I'm just going to tap that on the eyelid. But I'm also going to go in with a little bit of like glue primer, so I can have something to tap on. And I'm just tapping that right on the lid. And it's not going to be like a sparkly, it's just going to give it a little bit of like a iridescent type of vibe. So I want to keep it soft, so I feel like I could have done a lot better, but I'm going to stick with this. Pop on liner, lashes, and be right back. So I popped on some really like natural lashes, because I told you I was trying to do like a soft natural look today. So I have on the lashes Doubt It by Beauty Creation. For my blush, I think I'm just going to go blush and highlight. I'm going in with my Juvia palette. And then blush, I'm going to go in with this. And then highlighter is going to be this. I'm going to do a nude lip combo, of course. I'm going in with my NYX pencil. And I think I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie lipstick today. This is the Salted Caramel Mocha. I'm going to mix two lip combos. I'm going to go in with this So Glassy lip gloss by ColourPop. And then I'm also going to go in with the So Juicy. So like I said, I'm just going to mix them together and get a beautiful lip gloss combo. Alright, so this completes the look. Like I said, I really was trying to lean towards a really soft, like silvery gray look, and I think I definitely accomplished that, especially with the soft lashes and then everything else just kind of like coming together. So I hope you guys do like and appreciate this look, being that I didn't do another cut crease look. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys enjoy and appreciate today's video. Really quick for the outfit, I really like the outfit. It's so cute. It gives me holiday vibes because I kind of like tied this little string thing in the front into a bow. When you look on the website, it's not supposed to be tied, it's supposed to dangle, but it didn't look right, so I decided to tie it into a bow, and my stomach just looks like a nice little present. So I really do like that. So I hope you guys like the outfit as well. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me your feedback down at the bottom. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next color theme. Bye.